Welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV. I'm Jeff Allison, and thank you for watching.
I was a hot rod muscle car guy. If I got one, I've got to modify it to a point where it still carries the original charm, but it's all upgraded.
Yeah, and that's what I think the goal was here, was to still have a 66 Chevelle, but yeah, I mean, something you want to get in and drive. And like I was talking to the owner yesterday, and he still kind of got it in the back of his mind that after SEMA, he and his brother are going to load up and drive it home to Canada. And he lives in Canada, just the other side of the border from Detroit.
I'm trying for SEMA with that Mercury up there. That's got a Morrison chassis under it with an LSX.
Really? Have you got somebody lined up to put it in their booth?
I'm also a man out of Houston, and I have been invited to go to SEMA to display a SEMA at the Battle of the Builders.
Okay.
And I've been doing this for 34 years, so I've got a lot of time behind me. We threw everything we kind of had into this Mercury, and I'm waiting. I was supposed to go on Scottsdale with this weekend, last weekend, and I went on Scottsdale with our rat rod, and I had to leave the Mercury behind because and right now we're wiring it. We're doing all the wiring stuff.
Oh, okay. So you got a 4L85 and an LS3.
Yeah, LS3. We got the cooling system all prepared to go in it. The whole works. So
Flat fire welding.
yeah, I welded up everything in it, but this side, well, I should have welded this up. That's the stock wiring harness opening.
Oh, okay.
Well,
okay.
what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cap it and epoxy it in. We've got a computer going over it, and we have a fuse box going on the back side of it.
So it'll disappear
it'll
anyway.
Be fine. We'll do a little flat black panel there. And just in case anything ever changes, we need another opening.
I love that dash.
But yeah, we're in the process of doing that. We did a all Ride-Tech suspension, front and rear. And it drops clear to the floor with the Ride-Tech air ride. It lays flat on the floor. And it's got bigger brakes, not biggest brakes, medium big brakes, you know.
Yeah.
They're no smaller wheel widths, but they're wheel width brakes. We cut this car in half, and we replaced the whole back after.
Really?
Yeah, this car has an extensive history. It came from California, and it had an accident one time in the fairgrounds when an airplane landed on it. It landed right on the front end of it.
Holy smokes.
Yeah, I don't know if I was trying to show you that picture at one time, but let me see if I can find it. Yeah, the emergency landing, the plane landed in the parking lot. Looks like it turned and then landed right on the front end of this car. And they managed to save it. The airplane.
See if I can get that.
And I'll show you another picture right above it, right here. There it was when the airplane, it's an old radial engine bi-wing. I bet you, what do you think that year is, about 40s or something?
Yeah, 30s.
See where the wheel went in? And I noticed the cowl was buckled behind there. And it's like, I started looking up history on this car. And it was, this was back in the 60s. Really nice little lavender and white 64 Impala, all original hubcaps sitting there.
Oh my gosh.
And then the newspaper clipping had everything on the bottom written about it. And there it is from the rear.
Wow.
From the rear, that.
And that's, so the car survived that, and then.
Yeah.
Now
Well,
it's
when I
the next
stripped it,
generation.
when I stripped it, I noticed that there was like different color body panels, like the bottom of a wrecking yard, because the car was blue when it came in, and under the blue, hood and fender and all that was green. And I'm like, wait a minute, this car's been fixed before. And then there was, I'm going to tell you, there was 2 inches of body filler on the quarter panels, right in the middle. And I called the owner up and I said, listen, we got a real problem here. He says, what? And I said, well, here's where, before we put it back on the frame. All the bottom's done. Right here, it came in the shop, and after I had it sandblasted, and I'm looking at this filler, and I'm thinking, I started digging into it right there, and it was almost 2 inches deep.
Oh my
And it had
goodness.
been rear-ended a number of times lightly, and they always buckle over the wheel wells. And I put brand new quarters, wheel houses, partial trunk floor, and then the whole tail panel's new. All this back here is new. Where this overlaps, this is all new. Except of course it's the trunk. So all this is new. The taillight pockets, quarters, everything. The quarters came out beautiful. She came in, not a ding in them from freight.
Oh wow, which is amazing because that's about 10 feet long there.
Yeah, it is. So we cut the corners of the doors out. They were showing a little bit of pitting, so we put new steel in those. We cut the lower fenders off. Fenders are on a little loosely right now, in case we have to pull them. And yeah, and the roof was real decent. I figured if that airplane would have been running when it hit this car, the prop would have took out that roof.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because it was right up on top of it, and the prop was above it, so it must have been shut off at that
He
point.
must have died, and that was why he was making an emergency landing or something.
Yeah. And that 28 and a quarter belongs to this individual right here.
This is yours?
Yeah.
That's cool. I got us and welded in. This brace was already in here, and we cleaned some of it up, and then we went to the floor into our new pants.
That's my welding job there.
Oh, I was wondering.
Laying down those dimes.
Oh yeah, half times.
Laying down that bubble gum.
Then you have a lot of pitting along this guy, so we welded all that up, and took care of all that, and then the it's kind of fine. There's a couple more cars outside here.
Frame for all four-wheel drive. Pretty sure that's Bronco frame. And he's got this little. I think this one's for that truck we were just looking at inside, and then another Chevelle over here. And 5-window cab back there. Another Chevelle in the corner. Look at everything out here. Got this really cool yellow panel truck out here. Deepco. Anyway, I'll get back to my shop and get this put together.
Hey guys, just wanted to get back with you. Still have some t-shirts, large and extra large, gray and black with the, I'm not even wearing one, but with the Allison Customs logos. Also have sweatshirts. I think I have large, and if I get enough orders, I'll order some extra large or whatever other size somebody would want. And I have the, back to having some of the fire resistant work shirts with just the embroidered logo. There's nothing on the back, but it is a long sleeve. You've seen me wear them around the shop. They're great because they resist the sparks pretty well. They will eventually burn through, but because they're not fireproof, they're just fire resistant. But great work shirt, and they're fairly heavy, so they kind of give you a nice, almost a jacket feel. So this is just a short trailer, going to be added on to other videos. Just as a reminder to please, if you're using Amazon anyway, check our store. If there's something you see that I use quite often and you want to buy one, would like a link to it, let me know. I'll throw it up on the page. Amazon, going through the Amazon Associates store page, costs you nothing extra. It just supplies a little bit of income to the channel. And of course, as always, please like and subscribe on YouTube here. Links for the shirts and everything will be in the description of the videos. And I hope you guys have a great year. We'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching Allison Customs Project Car TV. Like us on Facebook and check us out at AllisonCustomsOnline.com.